Let's quickly talk about what's coming up in this series. You will find out about the 9 key sales automation best practices. One of them is the secret weapon to sell more of your existing product at a higher price and leave your competitors puzzled and behind. This series will also reveal an expensive sales automation mistake most entrepreneurs make and how to avoid it. And more exciting best practices are coming up. My name is István Bújdosó and welcome to the 47 Marketing Show that reveals marketing automation strategies for entrepreneurs to get more done in less time and ultimately to grow your business without your day-to-day involvement. Make sure to tap the like button if you enjoyed this episode and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of the future episodes. And now let's get started. Marketing automation best practice for sales number 1, use the right shortcuts. Learning by doing is a good practice in marketing and business, but the truth is it can be really hard, time-consuming and inefficient and may not take you where you want to go. What is a much better practice than the learning by doing is modeling, which best practice is a form of true and ethical shortcut. Let me explain. There are people out there who started out in a situation where you are right now and have already achieved your sales automation and business goals. They went through a lot of difficulties, made many mistakes, and failed multiple times over long years. That experience and knowledge is the bridge, the shortcut to your success. Learn from the people who have already achieved your goals. They may have courses, books, YouTube videos, podcasts, or some other formats. They share their experience and knowledge, model their mindset, habits, and actions to get to your goals quicker and easier. Just to be clear, modeling is not about copying exactly what they do. It's about seeing what works and applying those strategies to your own situation. For example, you are looking out for how to automate sales, and one day you see somebody successfully using a certain type of sales funnel to automate their sales. Instead of copying exactly the same thing, you can ethically model what works, like the mindset of that person, their habits, using the same tools, a similar funnel structure, and customizing it to your own products and business. So keep leveraging modeling as a marketing automation best practice in the area of sales and more. With that said, we are on our way to reveal the secret weapon to sell more of your existing products at a higher price and leave your competitors puzzled and behind. And that expensive sales automation mistake most entrepreneurs make and how to avoid it. But before those, let's talk about the next best practice in the area of sales automation done right. Number 2, focus on digital assets. The ultimate goal is to grow your business without your day-to-day involvement and have more freedom. The truth is, providing custom services can be a massive blocker towards that ultimate goal. First of all, most custom services are time-consuming because of the uniqueness of each project. And most importantly, it involves exchanging time for money. Simply, when someone puts in the time, money comes in, and when that person stops putting in time, the income cuts off quickly as well. On the other hand, digital assets that work instead of you and for you 24/7, 365 days open up virtually unlimited income opportunities. Although digital assets require time, energy, money, investment upfront, you create them once and you can sell them to many people on autopilot, and those assets can generate you income without your day-to-day involvement for years. That's why focusing on creating digital assets is one of the keys to achieve the ultimate goal. Such digital assets can be online courses, ebooks, audiobooks, templates, softwares, and so on. A special digital asset category is software as a service, where you create and maintain one tool and sell that to many people and as long as they use it, it generates you income. Another special digital asset is a type of subscription service where you create one thing each month and many people pay to get the same thing. As you can see, this best practice in a nutshell is to have digital assets that you only need to create once and can sell it to many people. And when you combine that with selling those assets on autopilot through sales funnels, then it becomes even more powerful and helps you a lot in achieving the ultimate goal to grow your business without your day-to-day involvement and have more freedom. Later in this series, we will go into more details of selling digital assets via sales funnels and how to automate sales. Let me interrupt this episode for a moment. If you are enjoying it so far, then tap on the like button right now. With that, you can give us feedback and support us to create more episodes for you like this one. Thank you for your like, and now let's continue. The next best practice related to marketing automation and sales is number 3, the secret weapon, or in other words, how to sell more of your existing products at a higher price and leave your competitors puzzled and behind. A lot of small businesses fall into the mistake of price wars, competing for a lower price than their competitors, and they keep cutting their profit margins and losing money. The more two products are alike, the easier to compare them and the easier it leads to the need of competing over the price. And we all know where that leads, down to the bottom. The good news, it is possible to make your product feel different than any others on the market without changing your product. And the way you can do this is instead of selling your product by itself, you need to wrap it into an offer. Let me quickly illustrate that through a simple made-up example. A product would be an item like a frying pan. There are many on the market, they are easy to compare, therefore it's easy to fall into a price war. On the other hand, a great offer is a no-brainer unique bundle. Instead of selling that one frying pan by itself, let's add a few bonuses to our imaginary bundle, like an ebook that teaches 60 quick and easy healthy recipes for the new frying pan that not only helps the customers to lose weight but also to have a lot more energy and feel great throughout the days, and even become the star of the family as they all enjoy the delicious home-cooked meals together. Additionally to that, let's say we include a healthy cooking ingredients cheat sheet as well that they can download to their phone and have it with them, so when they are shopping, they always know what foods to choose that serve their health, energy, and more. And as the third bonus, we could add to the imaginary bundle, let's say, is an online course with 10 cooking mistakes that are commonly believed healthy, yet they are proven to be harmful, and how to avoid them simply. This is a quickly made up bundle. Obviously, with more thinking, this could be better, more unique, more relevant, more exciting, and so on. But the point is, we are talking about the same product, the same frying pan with the added value and uniqueness, a unique ebook, cheat sheet, and online course. And notice this, these bonuses are products that can be created once and sold many times. This frying pan bundle is no longer alike to the individual frying pans on the market. Now it's harder to compare them, and because of the uniqueness, you have more freedom to set the price. And as the bundle offers more value than an individual frying pan, you can set a higher price. On top of all that, a great offer is more exciting to the target audience, and you can likely sell more of it than an individual product. As an example, I used a physical product, but the exact same best practice applies to digital products as well. This is how you can sell more of your existing products at a higher price and leave your competitors behind. Later in this series, we will talk more about how to enhance sales performance, also more about the key benefits of sales automation, and where offers fit into the big picture of marketing automation. Plus, you will also find out about the expensive sales automation mistake most entrepreneurs make and how to avoid it. With that said, we will continue this series in the next episode. In the meantime, check out the relevant resources in the description. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, it supports this channel a bit. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of the future videos just like this one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.